I said listen!
Watch out!
What's up, guys? This is all the stuff that I ordered online from the past couple months. This is either from thrift stores or eBay and stuff. And this is my unboxing video. Let's go. What's up, guys? Hope you guys liked that little skit I did. That was my first time using an Ocarina, and I know it wasn't totally in pitch, but gotta give it to me. It was a 4-hole Ocarina from the game of Legend of Zelda way back when. And this is from a company, Songbird Ocarina. I'm gonna leave the description for them down below if you're interested in getting it. But anyway, this is a film haul from all the stuff that, like I said. And the first one I got was a Kodak Star. It says I got it for $2 as is, but I actually got it for $1 at the thrift store. And Kodak Star is a like 110 millimeter and kind of shoe like this. I haven't quite got into it yet because there's not 110 film around me, but if you guys know any or want to advise for any, feel free to leave a description down below and hit me up. And the next one that I got, which I already made like a quick little video, that is the Olympus Stylus Zoom. Not gonna go too much a little spiel for it because I already got film in here right now and I already did a quick little video of it. So I'm going to leave that down below if you want to check that out. And I got it on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, 50% off. Be sure to check out the holidays because whatever's in the thrift store is usually like marked off even more. So win-win. And then the next little trinket that I got from the thrift store recently was a vivitar lens. I thought this is pretty cool because it's Vivitar MC 70 to 205 millimeter 2x match multiplier. So I'm not 100% sure, but from my knowledge, you're gonna attach this to your camera, and then the other side's gonna attach to your lens. And that way, it's like an extra multiplier for like zoom shots. And I haven't been able to test it so far, so I'm not 100% sure, but still, I only got it for like $2 or $3, so can't go wrong with that. And then next, we got the two big packages I got. Now it's been a while since I ordered this, but I believe this is the Minolta. Like a bundle of Minolta stuff, all for $40. Oh yeah, it came with a bag too. Oh man. That's a nice bag, ain't it?
Sure, good different.
I don't remember this, but I got a Kodak photo guide, 4th edition. Oh, it even has a photo lamp dial, exposure dial. Dang. Okay. What is... Not really sure what this is. Okay, anything else? But I guess to the main rodeo. That case too. Alright, so we had the Minolta SRT 101. Sounds like that works pretty good. With a 50mm 1.7 MD, looking clean. Then it also came with the strap, which I actually never had a strap before. I guess now I can switch this on to all my cameras as well. Then we got an extra nice lens case with a wide angle MC 40 or 28mm 2.8. I got that one. Then we got a third lens right here. This is a Vivitar. Ooh, got a lens hood too. Vivitar 35mm 2.8. I think it looks clean right there. Even has a Minolta sticker right there. Then also I guess it came with a extra tripod piece. And then, oh, extra flash light box. Heck yeah. Looking sharp. And then also, oh, I think this was supposedly a light meter? Kodak Auto Lumini 1. Man. No idea how you're supposed to work this, but if it does work, that'll be really cool because all I use right now is just my phone app. Maybe you just need some batteries, but yeah, that's all in this one right here. And the next one, alright, don't cut towards you. Oh man, it's like Christmas all over. Oh, that's it. Oh, they sure did really good with the bubble wrap, but also it is really heavy. Yeah, this is amazing wrapping. Oh man, it's still.
Two years later.
Oh, the Hi-Matic 11. Alright, so this lever, as far as we know, is like super loose. Sometimes, see now it's jammed, but if it just looks like a loose tooth right now, and sometimes it won't go down. And usually you would pop it open right here, but you actually pop it open right here, and there's that. And the viewfinder on our normal SLR is right here, but this one is on the left. So this is definitely a rangefinder, but I totally don't know too much about these. And the diamond, I don't know if you can see that, but it's going up and down when I move this last leather right here. And I don't know too much about this, but be sure to give a thumbs up if you'd love to see a review of this once I fully get this functionable. Let me know down below. But other than that, it looks like a super clean camera. Just really hope it works. Alright, hope you guys like that collection of different cameras we got. But lastly, we have a Kodak mystery surprise challenge we're going to try to guess. I don't know if you guys know this week, but Kodak Professional is having a different clues throughout the week on Twitter. And we're going to read a couple of them. And go ahead, the first clue was...
Film is back in the fast lane.
Fast lane. And the next one, clue number 2 was get ready to push your photography to the next level.
Do you even push?
That's clue number 3. And the last clue was of these 2 images up here. They're both in color, which is really different, and not much of clues other than just color.
And the last clue, it's a black and white world, and it's about to get bigger.
Now, mind you, as you can see, all these different fonts are in black and white. And there's also a GIF image of a guy running super fast. And they already said it's not Kodak Chrome or anything like that. So, what is your guess?
I don't know the right number, but if it's gonna get bigger, do they mean like a medium format exclusive? Or, I mean, what do they mean by it's about to get bigger? What do you think?
What do you think is gonna be tomorrow?
It was like tmax, 3200.
Yeah, so a lot of people are also thinking that too. tmax 3200, they're thinking it's gonna be a super high film. That's what a lot of people are thinking. And for mine, so I'm hearing push, fast speed. Not sure what the last thing was. It's about to get bigger. And then this color image, so I'm either thinking,
well,
all of this is meaning like black and white and either high film or it's a big latitude, and it's either color, but I'm thinking it's black and white, and or maybe this color image means it's C41 developing.
well, I read in the comments that the picture that they posted, we'll post an image here, that was like the original black and white house or something like that. So that's probably why they posted that image, was because like that was the original black and white house, I guess, where they produced something. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I don't know. What do you guys think?
So if you guys see this video before tomorrow, which is Friday, when they're supposed to do the reveal early in the morning, leave your comments down below. And thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe for more. And we're out of time.
Bye.
See ya.